You have an advocate in me. The word from a former retired police officer to police personnel if his party forms the next government. Steve McGregor, who is representing the PNP in Kingston Central, is promising to improve the standard of living for police personnel. He was speaking at a recent constituency meeting.
Dressing up in blue suit and blue frock no means say you support police.
PNP candidate for Kingston Central Steve McGregor taking a jab at JLP supporters who claim his party is not in support of police personnel. The former police officer has highlighted challenges within the JCF when it comes to pension payments. He served the force for 41 years and retired in January 2024.
The first time I got a pension payment and the first tranche was in February this year. 1 whole year I waited before I got any money. And I know that there are police officers who have not gotten theirs as yet. Some probably have even died before getting. I remember when Comrade Bunting was the Minister of National Security. They put a retired police officer, God bless his soul, Lucius Thomas, in place where they would ensure that all retired police officers got their pay within 2 months of their retirement. That is leadership, and that has been shelved. So when they're behaving as if they are for the police, nothing goes up. I want them to hurry up and pay the retroactive payment that they have for the police and other government workers, because they are waiting until close to when they call the election as if it's a special favor that they are doing for these workers. It is something that they are obligated to do.
Mr. McGregor says some police personnel who use firearms in the line of duty are denied permits to have a personal gun because of where they live.
Now, when I am the Member of Parliament for Central Kingston and I am in the cabinet alongside Comrade Bunting, I will ensure that nothing goes up. We are going to ensure that there's a special line for our police officers that can expedite their application so that they can get a firearm if they want one, because they are giving their lives, they are putting their lives on the line for us.
He also pledged to give some concession to police personnel applying for a licensed gun. In the meantime, Mr. McGregor reiterated support for body-worn cameras and less lethal weapons. He also promised increased training to handle critical incidents.